Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. This video I'll show how to write a love story with ChatGPT. The previous video I'm just ChatGPT here. I'm write a poem. So now I can write a story. So guys, now open ChatGPT here and click full scam. So ChatGPT directly comment write a love story, write a little love story and hit enter. So guys, now ChatGPT write a little love story. Okay, I'm just now need more and write a love story, second love story. So guys, I'm just copy paste and create AI image and create video. So keep watching my video and keep watching this channel. Please subscribe our channel and hit the like button. Goodbye.